Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about population explosion and birth control. Medical termination of pregnancy will be discussed in the next video under the heading of reproductive health, chapter number 4. This slide shows world population, which was recorded 2 billion in year 1900 and increased by three folds, that is 6 billion at the end of year 2000. In year 2011, it was 7.2 billion. So let's see what are the causes of increasing population. Rapid decrease in death rate, rapid decrease in IMR, that is infant mortality rate, and rapid decrease in MMR, that is maternal mortality rate. Now this slide shows the ways of birth control. The main aim of birth control measure is to be check the population growth rate. These include using of various types of contraceptives. An ideal contraceptive should be user friendly, easily available and cheaper, effective but also reversible with no or least side effects. Should not interfere with sexual desire. So there are different ways to control birth: mechanical, physical, chemical, natural, and surgical methods. Let's see one by one. Mechanical barriers. These prevent physically meeting of ovum and sperms and are of following types, that is condoms, diaphragms, cervical caps, and IUDs. Condoms are disposable rubber or latex sheets which are put on the penis before starting coital activity. The popularly known condom, that is Nirodh. Now cervical caps are also made up of rubber and are fitted in vagina of female to cover the cervix during coitus and check the entry of sperms in the uterus. And these are reusable. Then IUDs, intrauterine devices, are commonly examples are copper T and loops, which are fitted in the uterus and prevent the fertilization of eggs or implantation of the embryo. The next group of birth control, that is chemical methods. Chemical methods, that is number 1, spermicidal, tablets, jellies and paste or creams are introduced in the vagina about 5 to 15 minutes before coital activity. These chemicals kill sperms. Commonly, spermidal chemicals are lactic acid, citric acid, potassium permanganate, and zinc sulfate. Oral devices, commonly known brands are Mala D and Saheli. These are the combination of hormones, progesterones and estrogens. And these hormone combination inhibit the secretion of FSH, that is follicle stimulating hormones, and luteinizing hormones, that is LH, from anterior lobe of pituitary gland, or these inhibit ovulation from the ovary and implantation of the zygote. The next one that is implants. These are also just like the oral pills, but they are placed under the skin for the fixed time. They are also combination of the hormones. Now natural methods or the traditional methods, you can say. These methods of birth control depend upon the natural rhythms of the woman and avoid the meeting of the sperms and ovum. These include following ways, that is to abstinence, that is to involve refraining from the coital activity. Coitus interrupts, that is it involves withdrawal of penis by the male before ejaculation so that semen is not deposited in the vagina. This is the oldest method and oldest method of voluntary fertilization control. Periodic abstinence or rhythmic period. A week before and a week after the menstruation cycle or the phase are supposed to be the safe periods. Then lactation amenorrhea, the period of intense lactation after the parturition. The mother does not undergo ovulation. So these are the natural methods to control birth rate. Now the last one is the surgical methods. These methods block the gamete transport and so prevent conception. These methods are highly effective as their failure rate is almost 0%, but their reversibility is very low. These cannot be considered as contraceptive measures. These include following measures: male, if it is done, male sterilization, that is called vasectomy, where vasa differentia is tied or cut. The tubectomy is known in the female. Female sterilization is done by, that is tubectomy. And in this tubectomy, the fallopian tube, either it is cut or tying, so that there is no fertilization in the female's body. So these are the methods of controlling birth. Now in the next video, we will be discussing about the MTP, that is medical termination of pregnancy, STDs, that is sexually transmitted diseases, and infertility.